Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a close look at the Mondrian's Mess puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Tom Joly and made by Cubic Dissection. Difficulty level of the Mondrian's Mess puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts into the frame. The puzzle comes unsolved with one piece on a side, and you have to find a way how to stick it inside. And as you can see right now, there is not enough space for this part. You can try to remove this part, which is easy to remove, but you will find that it is not even possible to stick this piece in. So you have to remove all the parts and find a way how to put them back inside of the frame. This puzzle has only 6 parts and a frame, and it may seem like easy puzzle, but believe me, you will spend quite a lot of time trying to figure out the correct combination, since it is not only essential to find a correct position for each piece inside the frame, but you also have to find the correct sequence how to put them inside the frame. Since, as you can see, all parts have different shapes and they are quite weirdly shaped, and only knowing the correct sequence of moves you will be able to put the parts inside. It's not just like putting parts in and that's enough. No, you will put some parts in, then you have to slide them around, add more parts, slide them around again, so it will be quite a difficult challenge. The name of the Mondrian's Mess puzzle is inspired by the abstract paintings of Dutch artist Piet Mondrian. This puzzle is made from aluminum and brass, and it is a very high quality puzzle, feels very nice in hands. If you like the Mondrian's Mess puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching, see you next time.